Hi everyone, welcome to 5 Idea Chinese. This is our grammar lesson. Today we're gonna learn this structure, verb plus 下来. We use this structure to say that somebody has persisted in doing something from the past. For example, 每天早起很难，但我坚持下来了。Getting up early is hard, but I have persisted in it. Let's see one more example. 学汉语很难，但我还是学下来了。Studying Chinese is hard, but I kept studying it. Now, please try to make a sentence by yourself according to this picture. How to say, everyone gave up, but I persisted in it. 每个人都放弃了，只有我坚持下来了。Now, let's look at this picture. Can you make a sentence according to this picture? How to say, I didn't persist in doing it. We will see the answer in the next video. Now, let's share the answer to the question I left last time. If you learned some new words today, but after a while you totally forgot these words, you can say, 今天的单词都白学了。Did you write the right sentence? Okay, see you in the next video.